Have you ever watched your loved ones drift off to sleep in the middle of the day and wondered if it's really harmless? Maybe it's a grandparent, a parent, or maybe it's you. But what if I told you that excessive daytime sleeping might be quietly stealing precious moments from our lives? I want you to imagine this. A sunny afternoon, laughter filling the house, but your loved one is missing, asleep in their chair. It seems innocent, right? But for seniors, regular daytime napping can be a warning sign, one that points to deeper health issues. Studies show that frequent daytime sleeping is linked to memory loss, depression, and even increased risk of heart disease in seniors. It's not just about missing the sunshine, it's about missing out on life's little joys, conversations, hobbies, and moments of connection. If you've noticed this in your family, you're not alone, and you can help. So, how do you fix it? First, create a daily routine. Seniors thrive with structure. Set a gentle wake-up time, fill the day with light activities, and encourage exposure to sunlight. Natural light helps reset the body's internal clock, making nighttime sleep deeper and more restful. Next, keep naps short, no more than 20 minutes, and only in the early afternoon. Long naps can confuse the body's sleep cycle and steal away restful nights. And most importantly, engage the heart and mind. Encourage meaningful activities, a walk in the garden, a simple puzzle, or sharing stories. Connection can be the best medicine. If you're struggling with this, remember, you're not alone. Share your experiences or concerns in the comments below. I read everyone. Your story might be the encouragement someone else needs. Every day is a gift. Let's help our loved ones wake up to it. Fixing daytime sleep habits isn't just about health. It's about cherishing precious moments together. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. And if you care about someone, share this message with them. Because sometimes, the smallest changes can create